What's happening, everybody? I'm the Spice King, and I'm here with my good friends at the Community Fund of North Miami Dade. Can you tell us a little bit about what your organization does? I can tell you, but I would love to hear from your point of view, what you do for small businesses.
We actually lend funds out to small business owners, primarily for people that's not able to go to your traditional banks. And yes, we're the place to be when you're looking for lending.
And we help business owners like you to be able to run their businesses well and to succeed and have greater chances of really making it to your goals, achieving your goals.
Yeah, and from my perspective, they've really came through for me and helped me where traditional lending institutions like banks would turn me down and say no. They came in and said yes. And besides the financing, they also offer marketing advice, accounting advice, strategic advice. So it's a great one-stop shop to come and really fine-tune your business for growth. Thank you guys so much.
You're welcome. It's our pleasure.
All right. And we're going straight to the top. Let's go.